Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 16th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Friday out there so far. Everybody has a great Friday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Saturday and Sunday, which is the weekend forecast. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, take a look at the Watches Morning Advisory map. And also take a look at the Southeast Satellite Sector with the cloud cover. We'll show you that also. And also, we're going to take a look at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook and the precipitation outlook as well in this video also. Sorry I did not make a few videos the last couple of nights. I had computer problems the other night, and then I had something else to take care of last night. But hopefully I can get these videos back up and running again if my computer will just keep me keep it going for a while, hopefully. But anyway, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, you can see here we got some snow up here around Connecticut, through New York City, through Pennsylvania, through West Virginia, portion of Virginia as well. Also a portion of Ohio, and also up around the Great Lakes, over a portion of Southeast Canada, stretching over into the Toronto, Ottawa, Canada region as well. We got some shower activity down across a portion of Georgia, Florida, and the Florida Panhandle, back into Louisiana, back into South Texas and northern Mexico. Thunderstorms and showers over central and South Florida toward the Florida Keys. Mixed precipitation up here around Colorado, New Mexico, also Oklahoma and Kansas region. Same up here in Washington, Oregon State, Idaho, and also northern Nevada and northern California as well. Some flash flooding and heavy rain possible in northern California. Rain showers elsewhere from southern California through Washington, Oregon State. And some freezing rain possible over portion of Washington and Oregon State also. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of area weather for much of Canada through much of the United States as well. Also down toward the Baja area of California, northwestern Mexico, northern central Mexico, Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas. Also into the southeastern United States, also toward Newfoundland and New Brunswick, Maine, and also over toward New Hampshire and Vermont region as well. All of this activity is for your Saturday, February 17th. Alright, now let's take a look at your Sunday forecast. We still got some snow up here in portions of New Brunswick, also toward Newfoundland, northern Maine, through portion of Vermont, back into portion of New York State, northern Pennsylvania, back into northern Michigan, the Great Lakes region, around the Ottawa, Toronto, and Montreal, Canada region as well. We got some showers activity across southern Georgia, also through much of Florida, down toward the Florida Keys, maybe some thunderstorms in South Florida and the Florida Keys region as well. More snow over here in portion of Colorado, Utah, Idaho, Wyoming, also Montana, also in the portion of areas of South Canada. Mixed precipitation there as well around the Vancouver region, stretching down to Washington, Oregon State, northern California, down to the mountain range of California, northern Nevada, much of Utah as well, and Idaho. We still have that flash flooding along the coastal areas of California with showers in the green here from southern California, and thunderstorms up in northern California with shower activity in Oregon and Washington State as well. Otherwise, dry high pressure is in charge of areas weather for the remainder of Canada, much of the United States, the north portion of the Northeast, Southeast, Central and Northern Plains, southwestern U.S., also toward the Gulf of California, much of Mexico, the Yucatan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, and portion of the Bahamas as well. All of this activity is for your Sunday, February 18th. Alright, let's move on to the weather radar now. As you can see here, we got showers up here across the Ohio Valley, extending from Ohio to Pennsylvania, back down through Kentucky, and also into Tennessee. Maybe some thunderstorms and showers there as well, stretching all into Arkansas, northern Alabama, Mississippi. More shower activity across southern South Carolina through southern Georgia, the Florida Panhandle, also back down in southeast Louisiana, the Gulf of Mexico, South Texas. We have more activity over here in portions of Wyoming, down into Colorado, and also in Nebraska. Same over here toward Washington, Oregon State, northern California as well, and also some up toward the Great Lakes region and southern portions of southeast Canada. Alright, let's move on to the watches, warning, and advisory map for your location across the nation. Alright, you can see here we got a lot of winter storm warning, winter weather advisory stretching from New York State, also into northern Michigan, same over here in portion of Pennsylvania, also down toward New Jersey, Delaware, Washington D.C. area, stretching all the way through Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, back into a portion of Indiana, Illinois, southern Illinois, and also a portion of Kentucky. Special weather statements has been posted there as well for Kentucky and the portion of Missouri. River flood warnings also in effect for portion of the Carolinas, Georgia, Florida, Panhandle, a portion of Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, East Texas. We got some winter weather advisories also in effect for Minnesota, wind advisories over North Dakota, winter weather advisories up here in portion of Montana. Also again over here in portion of Oregon. A winter storm warning has been posted for the mountain range of California. Flood watch has been posted for the green areas here in California. Central and southern southwestern areas of California, that is. Wind advisories to the northwest. A couple counties in Oregon there with wind advisories also. Winter storm warning, winter weather advisories over areas of Wyoming, also down into portion of Colorado. Avalanche warnings also in the higher elevations. Alright, along the Hawaiian chain island, we got some small craft advisory, flood watches, high wind warnings to the south and much of the island. There's a small craft advisory around Alaska, winter blizzard warning to the west, winter weather advisories to the southwest. Also from California all the way up to Washington, Oregon State, small craft advisory, the gale warnings there. Same from the outer banks of North Carolina up to northern Maine as well, and along the Gulf Coast from portion of the Big Bend area of Florida down to the east coast of Texas. Alright, let's take a look at the satellite sector across the southeastern United States. Let's see if we can get that up. I forgot to click on it. Hopefully it won't take too long to come up and we can. Alright, you can see we got pretty much cloudy conditions over much of the southeastern United States, even the Gulf of Mexico. Here's South Florida, Florida Keys. Here's Georgia, the Carolinas, North Carolina, still got clouds there. Same over in portion of eastern Tennessee, northern Alabama, and also down toward the Gulf of Mexico as well in the Atlantic coastal waters also. Alright, now let's take a look at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, precipitation. Alright, here is the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. We got above normal temperature stretching from Maine down to Florida, all the way back into the middle portion of the country, stretching all the way to Arizona, back in the portion of Montana, well above normal temperatures in the bread basket of the country, the middle heartland of the country as well. And also we got near normal over here in the western United States from Montana down in the portion of Arizona, and then below normal temperatures expected from Washington State through California and southwestern Arizona. Near normal is temperatures over much of Florida as well in the Florida Keys. We got near normal to the southeast, above normal temperature from central and northern Hawaii chain island, and all of Alaska is going to be below normal as well for temperatures. Precipitation, we got a higher chance of precipitation extending from Maine down to Florida, back to Alabama, all the way back over to the west coast, all the way over to New Mexico, Arizona, California, up to Washington State, well above normal precipitation over Oregon and also California, portion of Nevada. Near normal precipitation from portion of New Mexico, all the way up into portion of Kansas, back to Louisiana, central Florida, that is, South Florida, below normal temperatures, much of South Texas, southeastern portions of New Mexico, below normal precipitation, above normal precipitation for you guys in Alaska, above normal precipitation to the east, Alaska there. That was the Hawaiian chain island, excuse me. Then over here, Alaska, eastern side, above normal, near normal central, above normal southwest, below normal northwest in Alaska. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. This is a short video, try not to make it too long. Hope everybody has a wonderful evening. Take care. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos, and consider subscribing one more time. Have a wonderful Friday evening, folks. Take care.